Oh no! Ah. Okay, come on, we gotta do this, we gotta do this, we gotta do this, Okay. Haha. You missed, you missed, if you're wondering why I'm probably gonna be doing horrible and yawning a lot, it's probably because, I had a choir concert tonight. Oh, frick. I had a choir concert tonight, and it lasted for, like, ever. So I had to stand for, like, 3 hours. And it was just torture. I like the songs we sang, but I'm just, like, tired. My feet hurt from all that standing. And now one of my braces popped loose. Ow! Ah, hold on. I gotta pause and check this out. I'm back, and it turns out one of them did pop. God. One of them did break. God, no! One of them did break, so I'm basically kinda... My mouth's in pain as well from the other things. Nope! Come on. Boom! God, I hate Iblis. Iblis is just... I found him! The Iblis trigger. How do you know for sure Sonic's the one that caused the destruction, Silver? Like, how do you know? Well, excuse me, there's like no indication where he's gonna land. Ah, my god. This is horrible. I'm sorry if this is unpleasing to my audience, which is you guys. Like, I'm sorry if this is unpleasing to you. This, while it looks easy to you, this is extremely difficult. Like, imagine imagine you're trying to get through a maze, and while that maze, I'm like moving the paper all back and forth. That's the equivalent to this Iblis battle. In 06, it's easier because it's 3D, you know, and you just have like all those platforms, but nope, 2D one makes it almost impossible. Oh my god, are you, oh my god, I only have one ring left. I can't screw this up. I'm about to screw myself over right here. Yep. GG. Oh, or not. Oh, it's luck, man. That luck, though. Alright, come on. Come on, Iblis. Take my bait. Take the bait. Take the bait. Take it the bait. Take it the bait. Boom. Take it the bait. Take it the bait. Take it the bait. Yes. Boom. One more and Iblis is dead. Oh, thank God. Just one more hit's all we need, guys. Oh! Oh, you darn goofed up, Iblis. You darn goofed. You darn goofed. You darn goofed. You darn goofed. Oh God, what? Dude, what? I didn't know what to do. Yep. GG. This was GG. Oh my god. Freaking Iblis. How am I supposed to know what to do on that final part? Freaking Sonic 06 all over again with its stupid bullcrap. This game is literally about to make me... This game is gonna make me... I can't describe the rage it's making me go through right now. Like, seriously, how am I supposed to know that you're supposed to Freaking... Like, how am I supposed to know at the final part you're supposed to freaking do all that crap? Okay, that's bull. We're gonna play this way. The game wants to play this way. The game... I'm done. I'm done. After this, I'm taking a break from Sonic. This game is officially gonna kill me. After light, dumb Iblis! Oh my god. Ew. No! What the frick? Well, I'm dead. Goodbye. How the hell? I'm sorry, but this game is seriously making me mad right now. Oh my god. Because there's like no indication he's coming down. It's just like a random guessing game. If we get through this, I'm gonna be so happy. I just want to get my Sonic062 playthrough over with, man. Now we don't have to deal with this crap anymore. Halfway down. Like, I'm being serious. I don't know what to do on the final part. Do I run at him or what? Okay. Yep, I just screwed myself. Okay, that I just guessed. Come on, Iblis. Just get this battle over with. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Iblis. And boots and pants and boots and ha! Boots and ha! Boots and ha! Oh, if I fell down there. This is not a game you want to mess around in. Oh my god, if I have to do this crap again! No, 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 no. Nope. Messed up, Iblis. Okay, here we go. I have nowhere to go! Yes! Oh! Dun, 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 dun. Oh! I don't care for the ranking.
That was incredible.
How? 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 How the fuck? Okay. Oh god, Radical Train. I remember this stage. All you do is just speedrun. Come on, come on, open the gate! I'm being serious. I don't know how that S rank came to be. What I expected was like an F rank to be on. That's what I get for talking about. That's what I get. That's what I get. It's karma. That's what. But I'm being serious. I don't know how in the hell I got that S rank, but apparently I did. This is confusing in 2D. Isn't it bounce bracelet I need up here? Yeah. Boom. Ugh. Ugh. Oof. It's kind of hard to do commentary right now because I have to like focus on the game because of all the stuff that goes on in it. But it's like I can't focus and do commentary at the same time. Like I try to do it. It just never ends out well for me. But as long as it gets my YouTube audience, as long as it makes you guys feel good, then I feel good for what I do. Okay, jump, 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 jump. Another thing I like about this game is it doesn't do the freaking, we don't have to go through the stupid, we don't have to go through the stupid, like, fast Sonic stages where it's like, boo, like, freaking warp speed. Like, for example, Wave Ocean, we had that warp, there should have been, if this is the actual 6, we would have done, like, a running stage where you have to, like, run with Sonic, and the controls are, like, really stiff and weird. Thank God they don't have it in this game. Wait, okay, this, yeah, grind. We got this, we got this. Woo! Bam. No! God damn it. I need to get up there. Okay. Yes, guys, we got this. We got this, Giz, okay? We got this. We got this. Yeah. Dun 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 dun. Watch it be like an F rank now, because of how I talked about Iblis earlier. Watch it be like an F rank.
Just made it.
And we're back to getting bees. Egg Genesis? Oh yeah, I remember this boss.
You think you can intimidate me with just your size? Come on, let's see what you can do.
Holy crap! Look how small Sonic is! Oh my god! Uh-oh. Got what? Can you stop with your lasers? He's gonna send the drones out. I have to homing attack them. Climb up here. Boom, 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 boom. And then that makes one of the wings fall off. Nope! Chuck Testa! Can't touch this. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, can't touch this. Here we go. I have 0 lives left. I just now realized that. Boom, 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 boom. Hey. Oh!
You're going down.
Alright, you're going down. I can't do a Sonic voice worth crap anymore. Oh god, what? Whoa! At least give me a warning sign, Eggman. Jeez. Oh god, what? I wasn't told about this! I wasn't told about these. I wasn't told about this. I wasn't told about this. Okay, good, the missiles don't hit. If that hit, that would have been bull. Oh my god! How do you... Okay, let's end this. Let's end this, Egg Genesis. Boom, 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 boom! Come at me, Egg. Come at me, Egg, bruh. Nope. Chuck Testa! I'm dead. It was a good run! Goodbye. I'm dead. Oh! Yeah, there's no way. No! Oh, no, 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 no. Not today. What? What? Ugh. Well, at least we got through Iblis. I think today I'm gonna do a special day and make it a double upload. So for now, I'm gonna end it here. If you like the show, please like, comment, subscribe. I am out.